program. Today we're going to make you a beautiful recipe. We're going to show you how you can cook some banana, yellow plantain or ripe plantain, and a nice piece of a yellow yam. And we got some Jamaican cornmeal dumpling right here. There's a video on YouTube to show you how to cook Jamaican dumpling and how to knead it and to make it. I will put the link right down below when you subscribe and you put your comments. I will put the link below that you can click on the link to go to show you how to make Jamaican cornmeal dumpling. I'm gonna cook the banana and chicken, banana and plantain and yam and dumpling. But this is gonna go with some Jamaican brown stew chicken. So you guys gonna love it. Enjoy the recipe. So right here what I'm gonna simply do, I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna put a little bit of vegetable, sorry guys, olive oil inside of it. Just like this. I've already put a teaspoon of salt also inside of the pot. And what I'm gonna simply do, I'm gonna break up some dumpling. I'm gonna make some cornmeal dumpling right here. I'm gonna break up some pieces like this. Make some Jamaican dumpling. I know you guys are gonna love this recipe. This is a proper Jamaican cornmeal dumpling. Lovely recipe, and I know you guys are gonna love this one. So right here, I'm gonna put them straight in the pot like this. That's the first thing which is gonna go inside of the pot. We're gonna make all off of this dumpling, and we're gonna peel the banana, peel the plantain, peel the yam, put them in there, boil them for roughly about good 20. Right here, I just finished all of this Jamaican cornmeal dumpling. Really nice. So simple. I'm gonna just show you what you can do in the meantime, because I've already put in the cornmeal dumpling. You can use your gloves or you can use your hand. No, it really matter what you want to use. You can use anything you like. But I'm gonna put on my gloves right here. Now what I'm gonna simple do, I'm gonna simple peel some banana right here. I did it before to show you, but I'm gonna do it one more time again. So right here, we're gonna simple this. I'm already washed off the banana. I'm using my knife, peel apart, cut off the two ends. Take one at a time and remove the skin from the banana, just like this. I know you guys are gonna love this recipe. Then put them in just like this. Or you can simply just put a piece of a banana skin inside of the water like that to make it boil. So we're gonna peel all the banana and put them right straight inside. What I'm gonna simply do, I'm gonna show you how you can peel yam. This is a Jamaican yellow yam right here. I'm gonna show you how you can peel a yam right here. Just take a little time, use a small knife and remove the skin from the yam. Nice and beautiful. Then what we're gonna simply do, nice one. We're gonna simply cut them into some square like this. Put them straight inside of the pot. You don't want to cut them too small because you don't want them to mash. So you just try and cut them very, very at a medium size. Then plantain next. Cut them into three. Put them in the straight just like this. You guys are gonna love this one. Like this one, you can cut this one into two. And that's it. Beautiful and nice. I know you guys are gonna love this one. I wanna say enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel. Here, as you can see, it's looking good so far. I'm gonna simply squeeze a piece of a lemon juice inside of it like this. That's the nut to get the banana them really dark. I put a piece of skin inside of it also too, because we don't want it banana them to get really black. And that's why I'm doing that at the moment. So as you can see, the Caribbean dumpling, banana, yam, and the plantain already inside. Let this just cook for roughly good 15 minutes. And a medium size eat. Beautiful. So look at that. Really nice and beautiful. You can see the banana, the dumpling, everything. What I want to say to you, this is finished. What we're going to do, we're going to simply shear it up now. Look at that, man. Really nice and beautiful. I know you guys are going to love this one. Beautiful. So we're going to shear it out. Let's not go any further. Let's shear it out. That's so you guys can see what's but nice. I want to say, right here is the hard food, the dumpling, and right here is the green, is the ripe plantain. Really nice and beautiful, and we have the piece of yam underneath the bottom of it. So right here, as I say, I put it with the brown stew chicken, so it's roast really nice and beautiful. And I know you guys will love this recipe. I want you guys to enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel. Please put your comments below, and we will see you in our next video, which is coming soon. I want to say this month is Father's Day. It's Mother's Day month in Jamaica, and it's Father's Day in England. So all of these recipes, this one is go straight for Father's Day, because Father's Day we need energy. You know what I mean? I want to say big up all fathers. I will love every father. So enjoy this chicken and enjoy the hard food. Subscribe my YouTube channel and please put your comments below. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking.